If you want to protect your photos, messages, apps, and important data, backing up your iPhone is one of the most important things you can do. There are two easy ways to back up your iPhone, using iCloud or using a Mac. Let's start with iCloud. Open Settings and tap your name at the top. Select iCloud, then tap iCloud Backup. Make sure Backup this iPhone is turned on, then tap Backup Now to create a backup immediately. Your iPhone will automatically back up in the future when it's connected to Wi-Fi, charging, and locked. If you prefer a local backup, you can use your Mac. Connect your iPhone to your Mac using a USB-C or Lightning cable. Open Finder and select your iPhone from the sidebar. Under the General tab, choose Backup all of the data on your iPhone to this Mac. Click Backup Now and wait for the process to finish. And that's it. Your iPhone is now backed up and your data is protected. If this video helped, consider subscribing for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and Apple guides.